Are you having problem in hiding your following list on TikTok? Well, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your following list on TikTok. So let's get into it. First, all you have to do is open TikTok. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now you'll be landing on your For You page. Now all you have to do is click on the profile on bottom right corner. Then you have to click on the three line on top right corner. Then you have to tap on settings and privacy. Then again click on privacy. Then you have to scroll down till the bottom. There you'll get to see the option of following list. You need to click on it. Here you can see that your following list is set to everyone. Now in order to hide your following list, you need to click on the option of only me. And once the option is enabled, other people won't be able to view your following list. Well, this is it for today, and this was a tutorial on how to hide your following list on TikTok. Thank you for watching it till the end. We'll see you on my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care.